Damn, bro, we just pulled up to IKEA, bro. What we about to do, bro?
RKO out of nowhere.
Oh.
How many whips y'all niggas got, bro?
There ain't no whip, bro. You gotta get us canceled, bro.
Get us canceled, bro. That's where we're planning our heist.
Yeah.
Lester, when Lester pulls up.
Go eat at the Habit and then
Yeah.
go around
The Golden Gate?
Yeah.
You gonna take that? We're gonna put it in your backyard? We're gonna move to Texas?
Just to gamble. And fuck animals.
No, you're wild. Hold on, bro. Hold on, I dare you to put it on. Put one on.
It's his house. Look, all that LGBTQ.
Guy just farted. Nasty boy.
What's for you guys?
Este güey ya quiere comer.
Hey, bro. Clean up after yourself, bro. It's my house.
Here, wash the dishes.
No, we gotta watch it.
That's how I like it. Keep it clean.
Yeah, we gotta keep it clean up.
That's your fridge? You don't have anything in here
It's a
though?
brand new house, bro.
You have cheese?
Yeah, I got house.
You got Grifflock?
Another question.
Alright, this is an interview. So, how old were you when you know you were gay?
Another question. I don't want that one.
Yeah, I know it's a sensitive topic, bro.
No, let's go. Now, 8 años.
8 años.
Let me do the bro, watch out, bro. I'm taking the shit, bro. Oh my god, bro.
Shower him, bro?
Yeah. Hey, watch out, bro. Oh my god.
But it is a little ass room, bro.
Yes, it sucks ready, bro.
With his socks right there, huh?
Hey, go in there.
Swing his shit, bro. Tandem, run his tandem. Oh! Ahorita que te caigas, baboso. That's crazy, bro. So the Tesla's on fire currently.
Hey, if any help, just let me know. I know a secret. Hey, I think the car's on fire.
The car is on fire, bro. Hey, slow down, buddy. So, bro, y'all ready to eat, bro? Damn, bro, we grubbing. Hop along. Hella fries and chicken nuggets.
This is fat.
Burger King's closed, bro. Had no other choice to chill outside. Hungry King.
How many fan niggas would say that?
Let's get to work.